Alright, welcome back everybody. It is Friday, August 20th. Hopefully you guys all had a good day yesterday with all of your odd periods. Today we are all even periods. Oops, I gotta fix this on our announcements. For today we are doing a little bit, since it's Fun Friday, we made it to Friday. We're doing a little bit of Avid bingo. We're going to get to know each other a little bit more. And then we are going to continue on with our road trip. I do have some fun Avid claps for us in store, and then last time I asked you guys to know what your Mendes 3 R's are, so I'm going to ask you guys today for our exit ticket. So we're just going to get into it. Avid bingo. In 10 minutes, you're going to find as many peers as you can to fill out your Avid bingo. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. We're going to get to know more about each other. We're going to finish discussing this quote, "You never get a second chance to make a first impression." I really wanted to kind of hear more about it. I wanted you guys to develop it a little more. We're going to finish up our Avid road trip, some social contracts we can create for your Avid. I'm going to have it nice and big on a poster paper for us in our classroom. And then if we have time for Avid claps, I'll teach you guys some new ones. And then finally, what are the Mendes 3 R's? I've been procrastinating on that with you guys, but I want to make sure I hear it from y'all. All right, as always, ladies and gentlemen, if you need any help or you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on email, in person, whatever you guys need. All right, y'all, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in class.